Can you imagine never getting on a ladder again to put up holiday lights? That's why I got this set. It's a permanent outdoor lighting. They're LED lights and you're able to control them with a remote. So all you do is take the power cord and attach it to the controller, and you can see there's two prongs. It comes with a remote control. Change the colors if you want. And the entire set is meant to be actually connected to your cell phone, so you can actually use an app on your phone. This app is amazing because the amount of control you have with the app is insane. You can actually choose little sections and change them all into different color categories. You can preset them, switch over to preset sequencing, and just change the complete feel of the lighting. There's life lighting, there's holiday lighting, there's mood lighting. The coolest feature, I think, is this one. We actually hit play and it will sync to whatever song is playing, which I think is amazing. Then there's the romantic setting, and so it can change the mood lighting if you wanted to. You're able to go into the schedule setting and you can actually plan out when it turns on. There's a do not disturb. Like, it's the endless what you can do with these lights. So if you're looking for lights that you can put up once and be done with, then you might want to consider this, because once they're up, the amount of versatility that you have is amazing. You don't have to go up and down anymore every season to change your lights. So super excited.